Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's about some marinated pork in the oven. It's delicious, easy to make, and very fun. Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Let's get first 1.5 liters of water, then 2 tablespoons of salt, and 10 pepper balls, and 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 2 tablespoons of lavender leaves, and some favorite seasoning. Now let's let it boil. When it's boiling, let it sit for about 2 minutes and then let it cool down. When it's all cooled, let's add the pork belly. We need to sit it and let it marinate for about 6 hours. When it's all ready, pat the marinade off with a paper towel. Now let's add some garlic cloves and a little bit of seasoning. I'm using some barbecue seasoning, and let's mix it all around. Then let's tie it into some beautiful shapes with a food string. Now let's bake it with a little bit of oil. In a baking pan, let's place the pork and close it with some saran paper and send it to the oven at 180 degrees for about an hour. Let's prepare the sauce. 1 tablespoon of red paprika and 1 tablespoon of honey. Then let's add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it all together. Then, when the hour has passed, let's add the previously made mixture of the sauce. Don't forget, don't use all of the sauce. Now send into the oven for about 15 minutes without the foil. When 15 minutes have passed, let's turn it over and add more of the sauce. For about 10 minutes, send into the oven. And it's all done. Now let's let it sit, and when it's cooled down, let's cut it into portions. You can eat it when it's cold, warm, or hot. It's delicious either way. And plate it and enjoy this amazing brisket. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.